In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Pixel. All you need to do is go into Play Store and download my favorite app I always use to check devices I'm testing. It's called DevCheck and it's free. From Flar to developer. When your app is ready, you need to launch it. And thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!